Question number 1. Synthesis of cell wall material takes place in dictyosome, mitochondria, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum. So correct answer is option 4. Synthesis of cell wall material takes place in endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 2. Tonofibrils are the characteristic of which junction? Desmosomes, plasmodesmata, gap junction, tight junction. So correct answer is option 1. Tonofibril are cytoplasmic protein and they are present in desmosomes. Question number 3. Rough endoplasmic reticulum mainly responsible for protein synthesis, cell wall formation, lipid synthesis, cholesterol synthesis. So correct answer is option 1. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is responsible for protein synthesis due to presence of ribosomes. Question number 4. Plasma membrane is fluid structure due to presence of carbohydrate, lipid, glycoprotein, polysaccharide. So correct answer is option 2. Plasma membrane is a fluid structure due to lipid as well as cholesterol. Question number 5. Which of the cell organelle synthesizes steroid? Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, peroxisome, lysosome. So correct answer is option 1. Endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes cholesterol which acts as a precursor of steroid. Question number 6. In mammals, the mitochondrial ribosomes are of 55S, 70S, 80S, 100S. So correct answer is option 1. In mammals, the mitochondrial ribosomes are of 55S. Question number 7. The main function of Golgi complex is fermentation, phosphorylation, respiration, packaging of materials. So correct answer is option 4. The main function of Golgi complex is packaging of different materials. Question number 8. The plasma membrane is selectively permeable, permeable, impermeable, semi-permeable. So correct answer is option 1. Plasma membrane acts as a selectively permeable membrane because it allows only certain molecules to pass through it. Question number 9. The outermost covering of chromosomes is called tonoplast, pellicle, unit membrane, mesosome. So correct answer is option 2. The outermost covering of chromosomes is called pellicle. Question number 10. The nucleolar chromatin contains genes for bDNA, zDNA, ribosomal RNA, satellite DNA. So correct answer is option 3. The nucleolar chromatin contains genes for ribosomal RNA synthesis. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे दरखास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. Question number 11. The smallest cell organelle is lysosome, centrosome, ribosome, Golgi body. So correct answer is option 3. The smallest cell organelle is ribosome and its diameter is round about 20 nanometer. Question number 12. Golgi body is concerned with respiration, excretion, degradation. So correct answer is option 2. Golgi body is concerned with excretion of material. Question number 13. Pericarp and petals contain chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast, etioplast. So correct answer is option 2. Chromoplasts are found in fruits, roots as well as flowers. So pericarp and petals contain chromoplast. Question number 14. Maximum substance that is found in the ribosome is RNA, ATP, NAD, NADPH. So correct answer is option 1. RNA is the most abundant substance of ribosomes. Question number 15. Centrioles are found in chromosomes, nucleus, centrosome, centromere. So correct answer is option 3. Centrioles are present in the centrosomes. Question number 16. Site of Calvin cycle is chloroplast, cytoplasm, mitochondria, glyoxysome. So correct answer is option 1. Calvin cycle or dark reaction takes place in the stroma of chloroplast. Question number 17. In which tubulin protein is not present? Plasma membrane, cilia, flagella, microtubule. So correct answer is option 1. Plasma membrane have no tubulin protein. Question number 18. Lamb-brush chromosomes contain one chromatid, two chromatid, three chromatid, several chromatid. So correct answer is option 2. Lamb-brush chromosomes is present in oocyte of amphibian, especially frog, and it contain two chromatids. Question number 19. The linker DNA is present in between two nucleosome, two chromatid, two solenoid, chromomere. So correct answer is option 1. Linker DNA is present between the two nucleosome. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे दरख्वास्त है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. The double-layered organelle is ribosomes, mitochondria, lysosome, centriole. So correct answer is option 2. Mitochondria is a double membrane or double-layered organelle and oval in shape, and it is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Question number 21. Which one is widely distributed in a cell? DNA, RNA, plastid, Golgi body. So correct answer is option 3. Plastids are widely distributed within the cell. Question number 22. Oxisome of mitochondria are concerned with photophosphorylation, oxidative phosphorylation, photorespiration, digestion. So correct answer is option 2. Oxisome of mitochondria are responsible for synthesis of ATP through oxidative phosphorylation. Question number 23. The cell organelle that is rich in hydrolysis enzyme is mitochondria, peroxisome, glyoxysome, lysosome. So correct answer is option 4. Lysosome is a cell organelle that contain many hydrolytic enzymes. Question number 24. The middle lamella is composed of pectate, cellulose, lignin, protein. So correct answer is option 1. Middle lamella is composed of calcium and magnesium pectates. Question number 25. Which cell organelle releases oxygen? Mitochondria, Golgi body, chloroplast, ribosome. So correct answer is option 3. Photosynthesis occurs in chloroplast in which oxygen is released. Question number 26. Pleomorphic cell organelle is ribosomes, lysosome, chloroplast, nucleus. So correct answer is option 2. Lysosome is a pleomorphic cell organelle, mean it has many different forms such as primary lysosome, secondary lysosome, and tertiary lysosome. In addition to lysosome, a Golgi apparatus is also a pleomorphic cell organelle. Question number 27. GRL concerned with the biogenesis of Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, lysosome. So correct answer is option 4. GRL is a combination of Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, and lysosome, and it is specialized for biogenesis of lysosome. Question number 28. The endoplasmic reticulum is present in nucleus, chromosomes, nucleolus, cytoplasm. So correct answer is option 4. Endoplasmic reticulum is a network of tubule and it is present in cytoplasm. Question number 29. The chlorophyll pigment is readily soluble in water, acid, alkalis, acetone. So correct answer is option 4. Chlorophyll pigment is readily soluble in acetone. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. न्यूक्लियोनीमा, तो ये लफ्ज़ न्यूक्लियोमीमा नहीं है बल्कि न्यूक्लियोनीमा है. न्यूक्लियोनीमा इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम, न्यूक्लियोलस, न्यूक्लियस, राइबोसोम. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 2. Nucleonema is a part of nucleolus and it is the region where the secondary constriction occurs.